Welcome to my channel, folks. So today we have a 2013 Mazda 3 SkyActive with 2.0 liter, and that did not start a couple of days ago. The battery is okay. I checked the battery is good. I also checked the voltage at the starter. The power voltage was okay, and there was also voltage at the solenoid. So I'm gonna chalk the wheels and I'm going to raise the car using the floor jack, and I will put the jack stands on both sides, and the access for the starter is going to be under the engine. It's relatively easier to remove. I'll just show you how to do it. So we open the hood, and that's the battery cover. And we will remove the negative battery, and the starter is here. This one, the solenoid, you can see that. So that's the starter. So let's start negative. Okay. Let's put it somewhere over there. And now let's go. Okay, let's go under the car and see where the starter is. There it is. That's the solenoid, that's the main starter. That's where we're going to remove this top plastic cover, and behind that there's a 12 mm bolt nut which we have to remove. And then this is the solenoid clip, which I'm just going to remove it. Okay, that came off easily. And now, so this is one 14 mm bolt, and the other one is this one. I hope you can see it. So that goes from the other side like that, and this one is going that way. So let's remove that 12 mm bolt first. So that you just like pinch it and then you remove it like that. And now let's remove it. So here I'm using the 12 mm deep socket. Trying to remove it. Okay, that is out. So now you just take it out like that. And now we are going to remove this 14 mm bolt from the bottom side, and then we'll do it from the top. So this one, so this main power is out. This solenoid connector, that's also out. So just two bolts, one from this side and the top one is coming from the other side. Okay, now unscrewing this 14 mm. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here for now, and I'm gonna go and remove the upper bolt now. So this is the upper bolt of the starter, which is 14 mm. We will attack it from the bottom. It would be easier to remove. That's the solenoid, and that's the upper bolt of the starter. 14 mm. That's the upper bolt I'm moving. And it is, that's there. I hope you can see it. So this is the one bottom, and on the other side that's the other one. Okay, that's out. I'm just going to load it with my hand now. Okay, so it's almost out. This still needs some wrenching. So this bolt is out now. That's the top bolt. I have to be careful. Okay, this is the bottom one. Now it should just wiggle it. And it should just come out. Just keep it. I'm going to tighten the bolt. Starter is in. That's the rear bolt, 14 mm. Okay. And now this is the top one. I already tightened it. I just have to now put the this on, but before that I'm going to put the that main 12 volt. Okay, I just have to tighten the bolt here, and then at the end I'll put this one. So here I'm tightening that 13 mm. Before that it was 12, but the new one is 13 mm. So just tightening that. Don't tighten it too much. It should be okay. Just put that plastic protective cap on it. That's it. And now just hook up this solenoid pin, make a click, so it should be okay. We are good to go. So this bolt is tightened, the other one, top one, is tightened, and this is in, and the 12 mm is in. So let's get out of here and let's start it and see. Okay, so the new starter is in, and I put that negative terminal back. Now the moment of truth. Let's see if it starts. Woo! Yeah, it started. So everything is okay. I'm going to put this cover back, and then put that down. And that's it. Changing the starter.